at 27%. I found a way. I keep losing video recording on my screen. So the app, what I did was, it's called Extra Screen Recorder or X Recorder. I'm at 300 again, or 301 I was. I'm bringing it down a little bit. It's cold up there. I'm like, my drone battery's at 25%, 24. It's like let's see. That's about as bright as I can get it with that filter on there. So yeah. So back to what I was saying. The screen recorder I'm using, it keeps cutting out, but I found a way to repair the videos, keep it in normal mode, and just let it record. And then if it messes up, I can go repair it. But if I have it in performance mode, I cannot repair it for some reason. It would not let me repair the video. So I was going this way. So what I've been doing is repairing the video so I won't lose any recordings. Didn't know my drone was pointed towards GE, but I guess it was because I was just pointing at Walmart. So again, you guys can see GE. A wonderful GE. The battery's at 19. I got like one more battery to throw on here. I'm just it's gonna auto return to home. Don't know where I'm really filming this area most because I like the mountains and the sun is going down over it on this side. So I like keeping the camera pointed towards this area. So as it starts to get dark, I can catch the sun going down. So I just keep it pointed mostly in this area. And I changed from cinematic to standard mode, which puts me at 25 frames per second. My battery's at 15. It's cold. What I'm gonna do, take it back towards the mountains. Alright, what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna bring it down. You can see the blinky light on top of the tower over there.